Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to do the up pipe. Let's get into it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and that post notification bell to stay up to date with this build. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright boys, it's Monday after work and we had lots of goodies come in. So we've got the T-piece to go here for the drain. Hopefully it clears everything down there with the power steering. Got the angle grinder there, ready to chop this one. Once we do that, we'll get the up pipe on and we'll change over that one. So I'll bolt that one up and then we'll chop off that one down there. Alright, so I clearanced that and I put some black on it so it wouldn't rust. Time to get the T-piece on. Alright boys, T-piece is on. Fingers crossed this does not hit on anything. I really hope it doesn't interfere with anything. Alright, let's put the pipe and turbo on. See how we go. Okay, it's not all in place yet, but it's like perfect. Alright, so I might just use AN line on this side and go up to the drain because I think it's the right size for it. Oh, might not be actually. Anyway, I'll work that out. Let's get this chopped. Alright, so I've got the other one just wedged on there, not bolted. It's got a bit of pipe still there. So at the moment it looks like I might just have to cut it at that weld point there and then it'll go on. We'll try to get it up a little bit into a flange where it flares out. Alright, that is fully bolted on. I have to change the oil from going that way because it wasn't long enough, so we're gonna have to come around that way, which is fine. We have water from here to here, so it's pretty small. That's not in the way. Then we have water out this side up to the GT35. We are pretty close there. We don't have any gaskets in just yet. I'll end up sealing that up and tightening it up first and then putting on probably this bit here. Still need to run the wastegate from this pipe to have to vent it back to atmosphere, so that's going to be hard to do. And yes, I'm sweaty, it's hot. Alright, now we've got to look at this because that is now fully tightened up. Yeah, we've got to work on this. So I guess I could see if I could just weld that straight on and then use the flex joint to get it on. Alright, bit of an issue there. I was thinking maybe chopping it here and joining it. I don't know, it's a big difference. Alright guys, decided to chop it here. And I got some new gloves. Would you believe it? And I've just tacked that one on there. Very nice there. Then I'll just extend it straight. I've got some 2-inch hang around down there. I'll just clean up those cuts because I just did them with an angle grinder. Clean them up. Got the spark plug socket, so I can get the spark plugs in and all of the coils on. But we're gonna have to put this on hold for a little while. The Mrs. Golf is having a battery drainage issue, so we're gonna try to find that. Alright, finally worked out what was draining the battery, and yep, it was the radio. So I've got to work out what I need for that to stop it draining. It's a pretty common thing, I believe. It's been 3 years since I put that radio in, and it's the first time it's been doing it. So, did pretty good. Anyway, back to it. I might just chuck the spark plugs in, tighten down the coils, and tomorrow we'll come back out and finish weld the up pipe. Right, all the plugs and coils are on and tight. Yeah, so see you tomorrow for more welding. Alrighty boys, I'm back. It's now Tuesday night and I gotta finish weld this up pipe. Yeah, having a bit of trouble with the Golf, and it's got a battery drainage issue. Disconnected the radio. Well, I've pulled the fuse. Still doing it. Yeah. Anyway, last night I plugged in the little patch harness that came with the injectors. So they are a different fitting or different connector. And look at that. They look like that, right? Anyway, because I was going to get rid of this connector here and just join them, but look at that power. It's opposite. Well, that should still work if I just cut it and join it. Yeah, obviously they need to go the other way around. So that would be the power, and that is the ground. That is very odd, because all it is pins. I'm pretty sure there's no like resistors or anything in there. Yeah, I just find that very odd. They did it the other way around. Boop. So yeah, that'll be coming up shortly. Let's get this off and weld 1, 2, 3. Ooh, alright boys, it's 12:15 in the morning. I've welded up this pipe here, so I've done those 3 bolts. Got pretty good there, I reckon. Got the water on there, not clamped. I've got the oil feed loose. Got the oil drain. So it's a replacement drain that I got with this that I never used, so it's brand new. Down here on the T-piece, I've actually got 10 AM to a barb. Now that barb is too small at the moment, so obviously we're not going to be running with that. So I need to find a 10 AM to like a, whatever that drain is. I think it's like 1/2 inch or something like that. Yeah, fits up nicely. I was just thinking, when I put it in, put the engine in, I'll probably keep this up pipe on. So yeah, up pipe and all these fittings and stuff. So yeah, made some good progress. Hopefully tomorrow we can get this in, and then we can get some fuel line sorted and more wiring. Probably next episode will be wiring. I've got everything that I need. So I've got the depinning tools, I've got the crimps, I've got the heat shrink. So once this is in, we can start placing like the fuel pressure regulator, the flex fuel sensor, and start to route more wires and fix up these, make them look good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.